Welcome to Kirti's Kitchen Katta. How are you doing today? I really hope you all are doing really well. So after amazing chicken marsala, my kids wanted me to cook something with their favorite shrimp. So we decided to make shrimp scampi. So here are the ingredients, and as always it will be in the description box below as well. Also, I have taken the linguine pasta, so we'll be cooking the linguine pasta as well. These shrimp are they are frozen, they are deveined, and they are almost half cooked. So I just got the bag from Costco. So let's go. So we are going to cook our shrimp scampi in our instant pot. I have the IP Duo 6 quarts instant pot. So let's begin with the saute mode and more. So it's on the more sign. We don't need to wait for it to become like really hot. It's completely fine because we are just going to cook butter and olive oil in it. So olive oil has a very high smoking point, so it doesn't need the pot to be really hot. It's 1.5 tablespoon of butter, and it's 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So in that I'm going to put 6 cloves of minced garlic. Just a quick stir. We don't want to burn the garlic. It's going to be like really nice buttery shrimp scampi. I've taken 1 small red onion. You can just add a shallot maybe. I didn't have exact like shallot, so I just took red onion. We are just going to cook it for some time, and we want the onions to become translucent. So the onion is cooked perfectly. I'm adding half a teaspoon of ground parsley now, and I'm going to add half of it later. This is half teaspoon of red chilli flakes. Again, it's completely optional. I'm adding 1/4 cup of cooking wine to it, and I'm adding 1 cup of chicken broth. I'm adding 1 cup of chicken broth because we are going to cook our linguine also in it. If you plan to make just shrimp scampi, then just add half a cup of chicken broth to it. Just deglaze the pan. That wine, wow, the aroma is perfect. I didn't want to burn my garlic, so I had switched off the instant pot just a minute back, which I just started again. And here I'm adding a lot of lemon juice. These are 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Since I didn't take the low sodium chicken broth, so I'm adding salt to taste, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and here I have taken 1 pound of frozen shrimp. Just a quick stir. We want all the shrimp to submerge in our sauce. So if you don't like the frozen shrimp, just go ahead and buy fresh shrimp, and instead of keeping it for 1 minute in instant pot on manual, just keep it for 3 minutes. So it won't be chewy or rubbery. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese. Quick stir. It's going to be like nice buttery cheesy shrimp scampi. All those beautiful smells, aromas. Here you go. Now let's put the lid. It's on sealing mode, and I'm just canceling the saute mode, manual for 1 minute. Yes, you heard it right, just 1 minute. And we will come back after 1 minute is done. I'm going to do a quick release, and we are going to put our linguine in it. 1 minute is done. Instant pot is off, and I'm doing, as I told you before, I'm doing a quick release. Just be very careful. So the pin has dropped down. I'm just going to open it still very carefully because a lot of steam is built. Yum. Do you see? The shrimp is cooked perfectly. It had changed its size. I'm just going to take out the shrimp in a bowl, and I'm going to show you how to put the linguine. So I'm just going to put the linguine, just spreading it half. So just we have to make sure that every linguine or every noodle is submerged in water, and I'm going Criss Cross way. If you observe, I'm not just dumping it everything together. I'm just doing it Criss Cross way, so when they cook, they'll be cooked perfectly. And it's going to take like 30 seconds or so for everything to submerge in it. We are going to help the noodles submerge in the liquid by pushing it a bit. Let's push it down. As you can see, it is submerged, but then I'm just adding not even like 1/4 cup of chicken broth. So everything is submerged perfectly, and I'm going to put the lid back. Some people prefer it to just cook like this, but I usually put it again for manual 3 minutes, and we'll come back. So I'm just doing a quick release. It's not going to take a lot of time because the pasta was in the pressure cooker just for 3 minutes. So you can see it's perfectly done, nice al dente. And if you think it's sticking to the bottom, just make sure to deglaze it a bit. Mine's just was going to get stuck, but then we did quick release and everything is good. So quick release was important. Now I'm going to add the shrimp to it. Look at it. It looks so beautiful. I'm hungry. Oh. stir. Lot of shrimp, lot of pasta. And I am going to take it out. So this is beautiful shrimp scampi with our linguine pasta. Oh my god. So what I did is I just garnished it with some dry parsley. You can use fresh parsley and some Parmesan cheese. So if you like it, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. All the details will be in the description box below. And you guys take care, have fun, bye bye.